I am grateful for the Caring Gene. It has allowed me to start my goal, my dream, my passion that I have waited so long for, and to be at Maria, which is where I wanted to be.
They help to ease that financial burden initially in terms of affording a school like Maria. That's one less thing you have to focus on when in school, to know that you have the security of your books are covered, your tuition is paid. You have certain supplies that you don't have to come out of pocket for. It gives you that, sense of security to focus more on just the schoolwork.
Caring Gene has been beyond helpful in more ways than I can say. Their case managers, specialists are very, very supportive. Seeing that I can be confident and do well and excel, having a chance at being an RN, getting right in the door when I graduate, was something that really sparked my interest with Caring Gene.
The Caring Gene does offer a database of jobs that we could apply to when we finish graduation, which is very helpful for us. We could just look at the database and pick something out and say, I think this would work for me.
Something I'm beyond thankful for, because it's allowing me to finish my education, and it's allowing me to grow on that education to become the nurse I'm meant to be.